Carney seeks shift in the Ottawa relationship with the New Delhi after a long diplomatic spat. Canada and India plan to share intelligence in an effort to combat the rising threat of the international crime and extremism also, according to the new report that is also from the Bloomberg shares the day before a meeting between the two countries' leaders. The Canadian officials declined to comment on the report, which if confirmed would also represent a dramatic shift in the relationship between the two countries, which for nearly 2 years have been locked in a bitter diplomatic say, and also the spat which after Canada Federal Police Agency concluded that the India planned and ordered the murder of a prominent Sikh activist on the Canadian soil. Under the intelligence sharing deal, which is expected to be announced during the G7 summit in Canada later this week, the police also from the both countries will increase the cooperation on the transnational crime, terrorism and extremist activities. Canada has reportedly pushed for more work on the investigation into the extrajudicial killings. Earlier this month, Canada's Prime Minister, that is Mark Carney, also was forced to defend his decision to invite the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the G7 summit in the Alberta after Canada's federal police said the shooting of the death of the Hardeep Singh Nijjar was orchestrated by the highest level of the Indian government. Carney said there was a legal process that is literally underway and quite advanced in Canada following the questions over his decision to invite Modi. 4 Indian nationals living in the Canada have also been charged with the Nijjar's murder. Also, the Carney, who was also cited as India's status as the 5th largest economy in the world, the most populous country in the world and the central to its supply chain, but the decision did not sit well with the lawmakers from the British Columbia. A member of the Carney's Liberal caucus, that is Sukh Dhaliwal, met with the Prime Minister Modi earlier this week to express concern over the invitation.